Welcome. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a favorite for your ServiceNow watch list requests. Please begin by clicking on your ServiceNow icon located on your desktop or toolbar. This will open the ServiceNow homepage. Once on the homepage, click on All Requests in the left margin of your screen. Once the page opens displaying All Requests, click on the filter icon that looks like a funnel located in the top left corner of your screen. By clicking on this, you will see the filter options displayed. Now, we will need to add some conditions to the filter in order to isolate only the requests that you are listed on the watch list for. We will be adding the conditions seen here to the filter. While an example of each line is shown here, let's go through the process of adding conditions together. For the first condition, in the first box, select Active. In the second box, select Is, and the last box, select True, so that the line reads, Active is true. When you come to the end of that line, click the button that says And. This is because we'd like to add multiple conditions to the filter besides the condition to filter active requests. After clicking And, a second line will appear. On this line, select State from the first drop-down menu, Less Than from the second drop-down menu, and finally, Resolved from the last menu. The second line should read State Less Than Resolved. This will filter all the requests that are not resolved. At the end of the second line, be sure to click And again, as we want to add a third condition to this filter. From the first drop-down box on the third line, select Watch List. In the next drop-down menu, select Contains, and finally, in the last menu, begin to type your name. As you type your name, you will see it displayed in a drop-down menu. Click your name so it appears within the filter field. The third line should now read, Watch List Contains, and then your name. After you've confirmed that your filter conditions have been input properly, then click the button that says Run, located in the top left corner of your screen. This will apply the filter we just created to the request list. You will now see all the active and awaiting requests that you are listed on the watch list for. It may be helpful for you to save this filter, as you probably will want to use it again in the future. By making it a favorite, you will be able to quickly access an up-to-date list of the requests that you are listed on the watch list for. To save this filter as a favorite, you will want to expand the sidebar on the left side of your page. You can do this by clicking on the icon on the bottom left corner of the screen that is a white circle with a white arrow inside of it. When you click on this icon, the sidebar will expand and open. Once the sidebar menu is open, click on the star icon located at the top of the menu in the middle. This will display all the items you have saved as favorites. Next, click on the end of the filter that says Watch List Contains and your name. Drag and drop this into the bottom of the left sidebar menu. The new filter will now appear at the bottom of your favorite list. As you can see here, ServiceNow automatically names the filter. You may customize each favorite to make it easier for you to quickly find and apply to your search. To customize this item, click on the pencil icon located at the bottom right corner of the sidebar menu. Once you click on the icon, a field like the one shown here will open. In the field labeled Name, you can rename your saved filter. This name will be displayed in the Favorites menu in your sidebar. Next, you can select a color and an icon that will appear with the filter's name in the menu. For this example, I have named my filter Watch List and selected a pink color and an icon of a group of people. When all selections have been made for customization, click the Done button located in the top right corner. You will now see your filter listed in your Favorites menu. You can reorder this list by clicking on the pencil icon located at the bottom of the menu. Now to the right of each item, you will see 3 lines, also known as a hamburger. By clicking on the hamburger and dragging it up or down the list, you can move that specific item. As you can see, I have moved the watch list filter from the last item up my list. When you have reordered the list to your liking, click Done in the top right corner. Now the filter that sorts all active requests that you are listed on the watch list for will be saved in your sidebar Favorites menu and be accessible as you need to apply it. If you have any questions, please remember you can always contact the CBO helpline for assistance from one of our program associates by calling 919-515-4CBO. That number is 919-515-4226. Please watch our other tutorials for step-by-step instructions on how to utilize the different resources available to you within this portal.